It's a big job just getting by with 9 kids and a wife. Even I've been a working man, dang near all my life. Keep on working.
Okay, I'm looking at the Jeep Compass rear sway bar end links. We know that this one just has a ton of play and it's noisy. So again, just like the front, same design, all plastic. And then you got a right angle stud here with a joint, and you got a right angle stud this way with a joint. And here's actually the play. See that right there? I get incredible clunking. Even that simple little play right there. And this thing is probably, I don't know, maybe it's 7 or 8 inches right there. So much shorter than the front, but that's what we're gonna get. I'm gonna come over to this side. Not as bad, but still some play. And you got the bushings right here, but we don't think there's a problem with the bushings. Let's see, drive shaft. We were just under this thing last Friday, and we kind of went through it and checked things out, and things were good. Just looking at the exhaust, there's a little hanger right there. Again, this is just a little commuter vehicle, but surprisingly, you guys have heard me talk about the Jeep Compass before, and I get mad about several things. You know, she tends to drink a little bit of that 0W20 oil. It's done that right since the day I bought it. That's unfortunate, but I took it to a Jeep Mopar, downloaded some software, and it consumes a lot less oil. But it's not surprising after, believe it or not, 5,000 or 6,000 miles to have the oil down a half a quart to maybe even a quart. So it's just something that I deal with. Gave it new pads and rotors in the front. The biggest bitch that I have about the Jeep Compass is that terrible digitizer. I still haven't bought a new digitizer screen yet for the front, but I found one on Amazon for like 415 bucks. Here's a look at the new sway bar end links, the Moog greasable. You can see them right here. We installed those. And I'm here to tell you what a difference. Like driving a new car, it's so much tighter, and the best thing is it's completely quiet going over bumps. So it makes a big difference. I'm gonna say these are about $35 a piece. And even though the rears are a few inches shorter, the rears are, I think, $32, $33 a piece. So we're gonna go pick those up, and then Mike and I are gonna pop them out and change them. All right, it's a Torx bit, and looks like a Torque 40 to hold that stud.
Hang on.
You going?
Yep.
All right, not bad. We zip these things right off. A lot more room to work with in the back than the front. These are those Lego Technique sway bar handlings.
You can whip these off in the 3D printer.
Yeah, and then, yeah.
Never mind plasma tables.
3D printer, you can make these. Probably would have been a lot cheaper than buying the Moog, but the Moog are real steel with greasable joints, so much better product. Much better. All right, my brother.
Okay.
All right. So here we go. The rears. This one was really bad on the passenger side. You know, just the joint. The joint is shot. But happy to have these come out. That in there, and this one in here. And I'll get on that and give a little go-go juice.
Edit that right out.
Okay.
Good?
Yep. You got that little flat wrench, that skinny wrench?
Where'd it go?
Go ahead.
No. That's it.
Okay. Installed.
A little grease in those and be ready to
Installed.
go.
Piece of cake. This one took maybe 10 minutes. So Mike, being a DeWalt master, has the electric grease gun. Good, good. She shot out. Shot out right on the bottom there. Get a rag. I'm sure that's plenty. Yeah, nice.
Pumps of grease.
I don't think we greased the fronts when we installed them.
No, we didn't. Well, we can go back and do them now.
Yeah, it's up. Good, good. You can see it bulge right out. Wow, that's nice. That's on this side.
These things are white. Oh, how come the other one? They're on the they're opposite, I think.
Good. We realized we didn't grease the fronts when we installed them, so nice. Good. Yeah, just a few seconds does the trick here.
Done. How long have these tires been on here?
A year?
You might want to rotate them.
I have rotated them once.
Have you?
But yeah, that's something I can.
Do them now while it's on the lift.
Yeah, you make a good point. Take off 4 more lug nuts.
It's only 2 more.
Just put the fronts to the rear.
You're already halfway there.
All right. Okay, while the Jeep was on the lift, we took the time to rotate the tires. Just hit the lug nuts with the gun. We'll drop it down and we will torque them. I torque these rims to 110 foot-pounds. So let's take a look. There they are right there, the new end links. There we go. There's a good shot of the Moog greasable new Jeep Compass end links. Really pretty beefy, 18 millimeter nut on the stud side, and then they give you a flat to hold the stud so you can torque them down. Go over here to this side. Very nice. Yeah, 15, 20 minute install. Easy peasy, but I can't wait to see the difference. Or I should say hear the difference, because with these bad end links, it's just the most subtle of bumps. Sounds like the whole ass end's falling off the vehicle. So there's no mistaking them really when they're bad. So good job. We'll drop this Jeep down and torque the rims. And then I think Mike's gonna give us a little tutorial about some of these hubs and some stuff about these 1-ton axle shafts and so forth. Just a good day hanging out at Cooter's Garage. Drum roll, please. Drum roll. Wow, look at that, huh? This is one big badass digital snap-on torque wrench. You just program the torque that you want. It's got all LED lights. Really an impressive tool.
To Julene out at Summit Machine in Utah. Yep. And super sweet gal. Loves guns. Definitely in the red camp. And anyway, see what might clear and make some educated guesses, maybe with a string line and turn this thing full lock.
There you go.